funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward.
Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the very last install before I give birth to my beautiful baby girl Chloe, which will be in just 11 days. Like, I'm so excited to meet her. This has been a very long 9 months. Let me just say, she is scheduled to be induced on 4/22, so me, my husband, and the kids were all so excited. So now we're literally just playing the countdown game. Today will be the last install before I give birth, and everything will kind of be on pause for a while after birth as well, so I can, you know, get used to having baby girl around and just get reacquainted with life. Today's makeover will be for one of my friends. Her name is Tiffany as well, and I'm really excited to get this makeover done. I love the visual that I already have drawn up for her. It's very modern and chic. It's really, really nice, and she loves it, so I'm just ready to go ahead and install it for her. We're just really excited to see how the final product comes together. I've already had some of the tradespeople go over and do some of the work, which a feature wall has already been done, the painting has already been done, and light fixture has been installed as well. So today I'll be going over and basically just putting the room together. Being that I am 9 months pregnant, she did go ahead and help me out and assemble all of the furniture pieces, like the entry table, the coffee table, and the entertainment stand. So big help, and thank you, Tiffany, for that. So I don't have too much to do today, but it's still going to be a lot to do today. So if you are interested to see how this reveal turns out, keep on watching. So the texture wall has been installed and it looks so good. Here, let's see. There's a close-up. You can see the textures on the wall and it looks great. The walls have been painted a nice bright white. All the trim and the doors have been painted white. So everything is much brighter in here. Babe is taking down the old curtain rod because we are going to extend it out and raise the curtains higher. Here I'm steaming my curtains as I always do. This is a very important step as it will give you a nice clean finished look. The curtains are actually the incorrect size, but being that the chairs will be placed in front of them, you won't be able to notice. I wanted them to be raised higher to the ceiling, and I also have a strong rule to never have your curtains flooding the floor. It's a big no-no. Okay, this is the entertainment stand. And these are the legs that it came with. However, they're fairly short. It's too modern. I want it to be a little more contemporary. So I brought these legs from Amazon, which will give it more height, so it won't be as low to the ground. So I'm going to customize the unit a bit and install these legs instead of the ones that it came with. This is, so actually this is the color that the wall used to be, which you can see as this beige that's not so attractive. Don't like it. Made the room feel dark, and now we have the nice bright white. And the TV was too high, so we're going to lower the TV mount as well, just so everything is more proportionate to scale. And then we will hang the floating shelf above the TV.
My friends wonder what is on me. I'm in the days you'll never see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
I'm putting spackle over the holes so we can move the TV mount down and paint the wall. I notice a lot of people tend to hang their TVs too high on the wall where there's too much negative space between the TV and the TV console. This is not aesthetically pleasing, and it's also off balance and off scale. Your TV should be mounted no more than about 10 inches above the console. Or in this case, being that there will be a soundbar mounted on the wall, the TV will be slightly higher with the soundbar balanced in between the TV and TV console. Are you able to come this way? So you see how it's right in front of the entertainment thing?
Yeah.
But are you able to make it come this way a little bit? Yeah. Just finished the room. It's like 9:30. Oh, it's actually almost 10 o'clock at night. However, I just finished. It looks so freaking good. Everything is done. It's been a long day. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm tired, but mission accomplished, okay? Ready to deliver this baby, ready to be done with everything. But we got it done in time. That was the goal before Chloe is born. Glad I was able to meet the deadline. I'm ready to show Tiffany. I'm gonna call her down and give her the reveal. Oh, stay tuned. It looks so good, guys. Okay, so you remember the before. 1, 2, 3. It looks so good! Yay! Oh my God!
living room.
Don't it?
Oh my god! It looks so good. Ah, look at the pictures. I'm waiting for my pictures.
Yes.
They look so nice.
I love the gallery wall.
I do too, babe. It's so cute.
Yes.
It looks so homey.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a tiger.
You like it, Bailey?
All right. It looks so good, Tiffany. Oh my god.
I love
And
it.
the plant.
Yes.
It looks nice.
The freaking texture wall.
Yay. I love it.
They-
I was worried like, are they gonna fit in here? But it looks nice. It looks spacious. It looks way bigger than what
Right.
it is. Oh, I can't wait to get my other stuff done here. So cute. Love it.
Yes. I'm glad you love it.
I'm so excited. Look at that.
Okay, y'all, that will wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeover. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment your favorite detail below, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time I post. We have about 7 days until we meet baby Chloe, and we're so excited. I hope you guys are having a good day or night wherever you are, and I will see y'all next time.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than they